Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by verifying exactly what you have. Open Command Prompt and run Python version so you know the baseline. Once you know the version, download the 64-bit executable installer that matches your needs and save it to downloads. Make sure to close IDEs and stop running Python processes so files aren't locked. This prevents upgrade failures. You should also note active virtual environments and project dependencies. This makes restoring environments easier after the update. You now run the installer as administrator so path and registry updates apply system-wide. Make sure to check Add Python to Path. This saves you a manual step. Choose Upgrade now for a quick-in-place update, or customize Install if you need specific features like pip, TCL/TK, or documentation. If you select Customize, enable pip and install for all users. This avoids permission issues later. Once you confirm, the installer replaces binaries and updates file associations. Once installation finishes, verify success by running Python version and pip version. Then update pip with Python mpip install upgrade pip so package management is current. Make sure your virtual environments point to the new interpreter or recreate them to avoid binary mismatches. If something goes wrong, check path order first. Run the installer's repair option or reinstall as all users to fix permission problems. If packages fail, reinstall them into the new environment and confirm scripts run as expected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.